Today we're making a delicious crispy glazed duck with fruity vinegar. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 6 plump duck legs, 8 tablespoons of light muscovado sugar, 1 Bramley apple, peeled, cored and chopped, a 5 centimeter piece of root ginger, coarsely grated, a large pinch of ground cinnamon, 300 milliliters each of medium dry cider and hot light stock, the pared rind and juice of 1 large orange, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of apple balsamic vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of coarse sea salt. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Put the duck legs skin side down in a flame-proof roasting tin just large enough to hold them in one layer. Add 6 tablespoons of the sugar, plus the apple, ginger, cinnamon, cider, hot stock, orange rind and juice, balsamic vinegar and garlic. Bring to the boil. Cook over a medium heat for 3 minutes, then cover tightly with a double layer of foil and transfer to the oven for 2.5 hours. Serve garnished with potatoes, spinach and coleslaw. Enjoy cooking, like and subscribe for new recipes.